Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, time for another wonderful, affordable, everyday carry blade. This one, it's going to be by Gerber. Stay tuned, right after we roll that intro, we're going to get into this guy. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Thank you so much for sticking with us. As you can tell by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Gerber Paraframe 1 Ti, which I'm assuming means titanium because that's what this one's got a bunch of. But here she is. I know a lot of people know what paraframes are. First one I can bring into the shop, and yes, some of you may remember from some of the holiday videos that I was doing. I really wanted to find the holiday 3-pack. Couldn't find it, but I found this guy. So let's get into it. It's got an overall length of 7.01 inches. The blade is 3.01 inches. Closed, it's 4.11 inches. It's got a weight of about 2.6 ounces. I do like, it's got a frame lock, which is kind of redundant because it's almost all frame. It does have the dual thumb stud opening. It has a pretty good pocket clip in there. It's one position, tip down. Now, the only thing I didn't like about it is I'm not a huge fan of clip point blades, but it's got one. It kind of looks like an almost modified drop point with a slight recurve to me, but that's just me. Now, the only thing I could find about the blade is they call it high carbon stainless. I'm assuming it's like 420, but if it's not just stainless, that's okay with me. Now, the handle is stainless with a titanium coating, and it's gray in color. It came, seriously, I don't know if you can hear that, really razor sharp out of the box, which, knowing Gerber, there's been times where you get butter knives out of the box. Unfortunately, there's no Made in the USA marking on the back, so I'm assuming it's made in their China shop. That's okay. I've been wanting a paraframe for a while. I can kind of handle getting one like this. Now, the cost on this guy on Gerber's website is $29. Over on Amazon, $21.21. And I found this little baby at my local Walmart, which probably explains why it was made in China, at $16.97. It got a 4 out of 5 stars rating on Gerber's webpage and 4.1 out of 5 stars on Amazon. There it is, guys. You got any questions, comments, whatever? Leave them down below. If you're a first-time viewer to our channel, thank you so much for spending some of your quality time with us. And you should see our company symbol popping up somewhere over here. Go ahead, click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Make sure you click on that little bell icon that's right next to the subscribe. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a video. Over here, you are going to see a couple videos pop up that YouTube is going to select from our catalog that they're going to think are good videos for you to watch. There we go, guys. The Gerber Paraframe 1 Ti. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.